Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to fix the problem that there was a problem with the network 400 error. So let's get started our video. Before moving on, you can support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel. Let me guide. So in order to solve this YouTube network error, first of all open your Android settings or iPhone settings and then search here for the apps and the management, and then tap on app settings and search here for YouTube and tap to open YouTube. Now click on the permissions and make sure that you allow all of these permissions that are not allowed yet. After doing so, you have to just move to the next step, move back, and then click on the mobile data and the Wi-Fi, and make sure that you allow this for mobile network and in Wi-Fi as well. And after doing so, you have to just move back, click on the force stop option and then press OK. So after doing so, you have to just close and again open your Android settings and then click on the mobile network and then click on your mobile network which you are choosing, and then scroll down and click on the access point names and then click on the three dots and then click on the reset to default. After doing so, you have to just move back again and then click on the choose network, and after this just disable this option and then press OK. So after searching, you will find a different options about the network. You have to just enable the automatically select network on, and after doing so, you have to just minimize it and restart your Android or iPhone. After doing this, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.